Unity of Hindu and Muslim. Gandhiji always championed the unity of Hindu and Muslims during the national freedom struggle. He believed that without unity among Muslims and Hindus, it is difficult to achieve independence, and also it becomes difficult to survive as nation in future. He always said Hindus and Muslims are the two eyes of Mother India. During Khilafat movement, the Congress expressed its support. The earth can fulfill all the needs of the men, but not their greed. Gandhiji. The circumstances that supported civil disobedience. Jallianwala Bagh massacre. The British implemented Rowlatt Act in 1919. Through this act, the British started controlling the nationalists. Under this act, they could arrest a man and declare him as an offender in a court of law. This snatched away rights of the people to assemble for a meeting, making associations and the free right of expression from the people. Gandhi formed an association called Satyagraha Sabha to oppose this. By utilizing numerous political methods like huge public marches and meets-along boycotts, the act was opposed. The British government decided to suppress the agitations against Rowlatt Act. Gandhiji had called for one-day hartal on April 6, 1919. Dr. Fakhruddin and Dr. Satyapal and various other leaders were arrested in Punjab. To protest these arrests, the people had assembled in Jallianwala Bagh on April 13, 1919 on the day of Baisakhi festival. The military general of Amritsar, General Dyer, fired at the peacefully assembled the people and killed around 380 protesters. Thousands were injured. This incident saddened people like Gandhiji and others. Military rule was implemented in Punjab after this incident. Rabindranath Tagore returned his knighthood award back opposing this mindless violence. This became the reason for the launch of non-cooperation movement by Gandhi. Later, Udham Singh, a revolutionary, killed General Dyer in England.